Julie.
Introducing event 78, the girls under 11 4x100 metre relay event. In lane 1 we have Diamond Valley. In lane 2 we have Mentone. In lane 3 Essendon. Lane 4 Moorabbin. Lane 5 Knox. Lane 6 Geelong. Lane 7 Mornington, and lane 8 we have Geelong B. That is event 78, the girls under 11 4x100 metre relay.
Got the old double jump there from the athlete from Diamond Valley in lane 1. Getting these fast twitch fibres going. A few different starting styles here. The old 2 feet on the line, 1 foot back is very popular as the girls get underway in this under 11 4x100 metre final. So I say Geelong and Moorabbin make a clean change, probably ahead. Does look like Knox are charging up the back straight to change first at the 200 metre mark and charging around the bend. Mornington and Geelong not letting them get away too far. But it is Knox with a commanding lead, and they will change first going into the front straight. Closely followed by Moorabbin. Essendon and Geelong not too far behind as well, but Knox and Moorabbin is coming. They're closing quickly. This is going to be unbelievable finish. It's Knox, closely followed by Moorabbin and Geelong to round out the podium in the under 11 girls 4x100 metre final here at the Subway State Relay Championships.